with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, today I am doing my Morningstar Farms review. I bought 4 products. I'm going to try all of them with you today and give you the points, what they are, tell you how I like them. I actually have prepared one of them in the microwave. I'll talk about that. But today I'm actually gonna put it in the pan so we can see what it actually tastes like. Because most of the time things taste better in the pan versus microwave. But just to go back just a little bit, I am Kimmi. I'm on a healthy weight loss journey. I've been doing pretty well. Next level at this point, I watched the documentary What the Health. And it kind of scared me about meat. So I tried being vegan for 2 days. And I completed it successfully, no meat. But I did have a headache. And I just didn't feel 100%. I know it takes some time, and you guys know I'm not the most disciplined anyway, but I'm doing it, and I've not gained any of the 25 pounds. By the time you watch this, I hopefully should be over 25, at least 26, I'm hoping. But it's not all about the number on the scale, as I recently shared with you in a weight loss update video that my clothes are getting smaller and buying smaller size clothes, so I just feel better, moving better, my skin look better, my hair actually for the first time is coming back around, I think from the green smoothies. So I'm feeling pretty good about everything. So today, like I said, I want to do my Morningstar. So this is what we're going to be trying today. We got the spicy black bean burger, we got the garden veggie burger, okay, and we have the hot and spicy sausage patty, okay. And then we have the maple flavor. So let me tell you just a little bit about Morningstar Farms right quick, and then we'll get into cooking everything cooking everything for you. So the Morningstar has been around for 40 years, y'all. So it's been around forever. I used to eat Boca burgers back in the day. My nieces can remember too. I used to make Boca. That was when I was on another healthy thing. And I ate a lot of those. But anyway, I like Morningstar Farms brand. I'm not working for them or anything. This is just my own personal review. I bought these products. But they offer a wide range of product selection. They got chicken nuggets, they got meatless burgers, sausages, meatballs, chicken tenders, all kind of stuff, right? And the thing you have to be cautious with though is, because I realize I have a wheat allergy. Now how strong it is, it's kind of iffy, because I do eat stuff that have wheat, but like wheat breads, wheat pastas, I've determined that I can't really eat those wheat buns. It makes me really nauseous. So these products do contain some soy, wheat. They use a lot of pea protein, like the green peas for protein. So it's a nice option to avoid eating animal products, okay? So we're gonna get it right into it. So let's start with the breakfast sausage, okay? So the hot and spicy is only 1 point. I went ahead and wrote the point on there. It's 1 point. If you're not doing Weight Watchers, I'm gonna give you the calories, so that might help you. So with the calories, it is 80 and 3.5 fat and 5 carbs if you're doing keto or something like that, okay? So now we're gonna try I'm gonna put them in the same pan. This is the hot and spicy. I've already tried them, so I'll tell you what my favorite is after I cook it. I want you to see the texture right quick. And then this one is the maple flavored. It is only 2 points for one patty. It's 90 calories in this one, 3.5 fat and 7 carbs, okay, for those of you who are doing carbs. So everybody's on a different journey. Everybody's welcome to the party. So I'm gonna get these in the pan right quick. I did try these before, and I put it in the, I'll bring you over here with me. I put it in the push this back so it don't fall. I have put it in the microwave when I did it before, but today we're gonna actually cook it in the pan. So you can see the pan. So do you guys eat vegan food? I mean, tell me, what do you do? I'm gonna use a little pan. It said non-stick, but I just always like to spray a little something. How about you guys? Do you spray something? And I usually don't even like to use Pam anymore.
What?
I usually use this from Sam's Club. Let me show you. But I have to get some more. Oh, does this pan smell like it's burning? Okay, hold on. There we go. So we'll let that cook. It's already cooked, so you really heat it up. It's not any meat either, so that's why you really could pop it in the microwave. And I did put it in the microwave. It cooked fine. I put it in my oatmeal bowl. So in my oatmeal bowl, which I'm getting ready to do a video about that, I put let that heat up. In my oatmeal bowl, I put oatmeal, pecans, one of these patties to give it that meat texture, and an egg. And that thing is so good. Oh, but anyway, back to my spray oil. So I usually get this right at Members Mark, which is Sam's Club. That's their brand. The olive oil instead of the Pam, because Pam has so many chemicals. I'm really trying to avoid chemicals, y'all. Let me get a spatula. I'm really trying to avoid chemicals. So with these patties, though, you can do anything that you would do with sausage. Like I was saying, if you like to put it in your omelet, you can put it in your omelet. Anything. It takes about 7 minutes to, let me make sure. Hold on. Make sure how long it say. Actually says 9 to 10 minutes. Medium heat. So I'm hoping the smoke detector don't go off because that pan is burning. So I've been trying to eat less meat, like I said. And some people are vegan because they want to, you know, make sure about the society as far as animals are concerned, the planet, which is all good. That's what the documentary kind of focused on too. Health wise too, we know meat sometimes can be bad for some people, worse than others. When it comes to high blood pressure, cholesterol, etc. So I go to the doctor hopefully in a couple months, and I cannot wait to see what my results are. So we're gonna cut this off, and I'm gonna put it on a plate so we can look at it and talk about it. Hold on. And then we're gonna do the same thing. And I'm gonna rinse out this pan. Hold on. Let me turn the camera so y'all not just by yourself. I'm gonna rinse out the pan and go ahead and put the burger patties in there while we talk about the sausage patties. Okay, I'm gonna wipe off the bottom because it smells like some grease on it or something. You can see all that smoke, right? Okay, so let's put this back on, and let's put the other two in there. The black bean. The black bean is, let me cut this down. Hold on, guys. Y'all know your girl be trying to cook and it's just heating up something, really. Let me cut it on low while we talking. Okay. So the black bean, spicy black bean is 2 points, 120 calories, and 15 carbs. Okay. That's for the spicy black bean. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the pan on low. And the garden veggie is 2 points also, 100 calories and 10 carbs, okay? Now, how I had planned to eat this is put it on hamburger buns. Because I bought the buns. I had planned to put it on. I see when you use that pan by itself, it kind of burns. So I'm going to put a little oil. Hold on. I took out my little olive oil squirt thingy. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna use that. This was my olive oil squirt thingy I took out for y'all, and then I didn't even use it. Okay, so let's put the heat up a little bit. Let me show you in the pan these two, and then we're gonna recap everything. Okay, okay. So on the left we have the bean. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the bean, and that's the veggie. Okay, I'm gonna cut the fire up a little bit. Now let me show you one is spicy and one is maple flavored. And guys, I bought the spicy for me, but I ended up loving the maple. Okay, so I'm just gonna taste each one of them with you. This is the maple. The maple is a little darker. Delicious. I love this. Let me cut the fire down. The maple is delicious, guys. I love the maple. I like the maple. So you could try that. It's only 2 points. Now this is the spicy. It's a little lighter in color. A little lighter. Actually, when I first cooked the spicy, it wasn't my favorite. But now that I'm tasting it the second time, it's kind of okay. So we're going to save that for breakfast. So, do you guys substitute meat at all? You know, they got meatless Mondays. These are great options. This is great options for you. If you just don't feel like cooking, or I'm gonna show you this in the pan. You just want something fast, and they do very nicely. They really do. Microwave. Okay, so we're gonna let those cook for a minute, and I'm gonna pull them. And I just put some, I put the Pam at first, but that made it kind of stick. So the olive oil has a higher heat, can take the higher heat. So let's put it on medium so we can get this show on the road. We're gonna try each one. And then what I would do, that because I'm getting ready to eat my dinner, but I'm gonna save these for lunch. And the breakfast patties, we'll eat those tomorrow. So I am gonna eat these. I didn't buy these just to do no demonstration. We're gonna eat this food, y'all. They read about Kroger's. I got these from Kroger's because y'all know I talk about Publix a lot. I actually went to Kroger's and had more value for all my money. Everything we bought. Let me flip the burgers, hold on. And then we're gonna taste these. All right. Yeah, so I actually went to Kroger, and Kroger's had them on sale. They were, either they were buy one, get one half off, or buy one, get one $2 off. But it was a nice price on them. So that's why I said, you know what, let me go ahead and buy all this, because this is right around time I'm still feeling like I want to go vegan. But it's a nice replacement, like I said, for a Monday, for a meatless Monday option, or, you know, like I said, something quick. And I'm just trying to get off some of that meat. So we are going to take these out the pan. The lighter color is the garden veggie. I'm going to show you in a moment too. And then the darker one is the black bean. Okay. So we're going to cut them. I probably would let them sit for a second just to kind of. So this is our plate. And we're going to taste it right quick. Okay. Let's get to cutting. So the lighter color is the veggies. That's this one. 2 points. I have not tried these. It's not bad. I could eat this. I could eat it. But and you can really taste the veggies in the veggie one. Let me try one more time. Like you can see the carrots in there. Let me see. There you go. You can see the carrots. You can actually see it. I'll say yeah. I'll say yeah. I will buy that. I will buy that again. Now it tastes like an egg roll almost. Cause the veggies in it. It tastes like an egg roll. I know that sounds crazy, but now let's try the bean. Okay. Spicy black bean. If you like black beans, you'll love this. Because that's what it's mainly made of. I like the spicy black bean. Now the spicy black bean has more like a Mexican taste. It's more like a Mexican taste. So is either one of them going to truly replace your hamburger? No. But if you just want a different option, something different, even just to mix up your diet. Not saying you have to go vegan. Not vegan. I said vegan because I was looking at the package. Not that you have to go vegan completely, but I'm nibbling on all of it, y'all. It's really good. So I would say 2 thumbs up to Morningstar. And again, all you gotta do is pop it in the microwave. I did it in a skillet, but all this is microwavable. If you want to microwave it, it's only 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay. So just to recap, we did the spicy black bean, we did the garden veggie, we did the maple flavored, and then we did the hot and spicy. Okay. So that's my review of Morningstar. 2 thumbs up. I think it's worth it. So until next time, guys, let me know if you've ever tried any vegan products. What do you like? How you doing with that meat thing out there? In favor, not? What's up? All right, guys, until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.